Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ostrovok app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ostrovok is a hotel booking app that helps travelers find and reserve accommodations across Russia and internationally. The app offers a wide range of lodging options, from budget stays to luxury hotels, with features such as real-time availability, price comparisons, special offers, and user reviews. It also supports filtering by amenities, star ratings, and location, along with secure in-app payment options. Bookings can be managed easily, with confirmations stored for offline access. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Ostrovok for its competitive pricing, frequent discounts, and straightforward booking process. The interface is clean, navigation is quick, and the variety of accommodation options is broad enough to suit different budgets and travel styles. The inclusion of local deals is particularly valued by travelers booking within Russia. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional glitches when updating bookings, limited availability for certain international destinations, and rare discrepancies between listing details and the actual property. Customer support response times can also vary, which may be inconvenient during urgent situations. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Ostrovok app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient and budget-friendly way to book hotels, especially in Russia where it offers excellent local deals. It shines in affordability, ease of use, and filtering options. However, if you primarily book international stays or require instant customer support, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.